The preparation starts in the well deck, so you'll run through your entire pre-operational checklist prior to doing anything to make sure the vehicle is fully mission capable. And that process can take several hours. It's lengthy, it's very deliberate, it's very ordered, it's a process. It's been a long time since we've had a mech company go abroad on naval vessels, and to me that is the most exciting part of this. The only thing I knew about the assault amphibian community was that it is a service-defining MOS. It is what separates us from the rest of the branches.